well, coming in, storm over TMC Neta Kunal Ghosh's post. Ghosh draws Pulwama comparison to West Bengal, saying that if Jawans stage dharna on Pulwama, and BJP is now slamming this ridiculous parallel by the TMC Neta. That's the update that we are getting for you. Now there is a controversy that has erupted over TMC Neta Kunal Ghosh's post. He has drawn parallel with Pulwama, and he said, what if Jawan staged dharna on Pulwama? BJP has now reacted, slamming the ridiculous parallel by the TMC Neta. BJP is asking, why trivialize the crime against Beti? And we will be showing you that post as well on social media. Now, this is another important aspect that we are tracking, which is the politics that continues to escalate on this entire matter. Now, it is about Kunal Ghosh, the TMC leader, whose post has kicked a new storm, and it has become a big controversy already. Kunal Ghosh is drawing a parallel between West Bengal and Pulwama. He's trying to suggest, what if Jawans staged dharna on Pulwama? And BJP has also reacted on this particular issue. BJP is asking, why trivialize a crime against Beti? Remember, all of this is happening even as the Central Bureau of Investigation is probing the matter. And we have a reaction coming in from Shehzad Poonawalla as well of the BJP. Let's listen in.
उदयन गुहा के आपकी उंगली तोड़ देंगे धमकी के बाद अरूप चक्रवर्ती के ये महिलाएं तो बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ घूम रही है उसके बाद अब कुणाल घोष की एक और टिप्पणी आई है। ये वही कुणाल घोष है जो टीएमसी के नेता के रूप में प्रोटेस्टर्स को पहले भी अपमानित कर रहे थे, कह रहे थे अलग अलग प्रकार की बातें, और आज कहते हैं कि ये प्रोटेस्ट जो है इनको खत्म हो जाना चाहिए क्योंकि आरजीकर मेडिकल कॉलेज में जो रेप और मर्डर हुआ वो पुलवामा की तरह है और पुलवामा अनसॉल्व्ड है। बार बार इस प्रकार से एक जघन्य अपराध को ट्रिविलाइज करना, प्रोटेस्टर्स को बार बार स्लैंडर करना और इस प्रकार की बेतुकी बातें करना, ये कब तक चलेगा? अभी राहुल गांधी ने भी इसको डिस्ट्रैक्शन कहा, आरजीकर मेडिकल कॉलेज के पूरे रेप और हत्या को, और राकेश टिकैत उसने तो कहा कि ये कंस्पिरेसी है, ये प्रोपेगेंडा चल रहा है। ये लोग हमेशा बलात्कारी बचाओ, सबूत मिटाओ, सत्य को दबाओ के पक्ष में क्यों है? क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट और माता पिता के इतनी बातों के बाद भी ये बेटी के लिए न्याय नहीं चाहते? इंडिया अलायंस के तमाम नेता कहाँ गए? कब तक ये अपमान चलता रहेगा? प्रोटेस्टर्स का, डॉक्टर्स का, उनके ऊपर लगातार ये हमले किए जा रहे हैं और तृणमूल कांग्रेस की सरकार का एक ही उद्देश्य है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Meenakshi, who's joining us live. Meenakshi, can you take us through what exactly has Kunal Ghosh written in this social media post?
Well, yes, Hina. So, Kunal Ghosh has basically drawn a Pulwama parallel, and which is what has led to a massive furor. Now, what has happened is that the BJP has now latched on to that statement by Kunal Ghosh, and they are attacking the TMC, saying that they are insensitive towards the protesters. Now, what does the BJP say? They say that Kunal Ghosh basically has made a comparison. He's compared the RG Kar protesters to the Pulwama attack, and they say he's made some ridiculous parallel between a terror attack by Pakistan and the RG Kar murder case. Now, Kunal Ghosh in his tweet basically has said that what if the Jawans in Pulwama also sit on a protest or a dharna and they start demanding justice for Pulwama? And that's something which the BJP has attacked the TMC over. They've said that the TMC is trivializing crimes against women. Questions which the BJP has asked. We heard what Shehzad Poonawalla had to say. This is his post. He says, question number one, why trivialize the rape and murder of our Beti? Why constantly slander protesters? Why do you want to hide the truth? And does the party or will the TMC stand with the victims and their family? Questioning the silence of the INDIA alliance. So obviously the statement by Kunal Ghosh drawing that parallel has led to a massive political slugfest. Many reactions coming in from the BJP already, Hina.
An extremely insensitive statement coming in at a time when the whole country is waiting for justice for the victim of the Kolkata horror. Meenakshi, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. Let me now go across to my colleague Tapas as well, who's joining us on the broadcast. Tapas, now such statements are being made at a time when focus is also on the CBI probe. We know the Supreme Court of India yesterday had asked the CBI to file a status report by tomorrow, and amidst all of these, such statements are extremely insensitive, isn't it?
Well, see, Kunal Ghosh's remark have not gone down well amongst the people at large. Today, if I show you, if he's comparing Pulwama with RG, both the incidents are equally condemnable. But today, doctors have come in large number outside Directorate to send a deputation to the Health Directorate, and they have been on the street. They have been protesting since last 13 days for justice. But yes, during Pulwama as well, we had seen the entire country had come together and registered their protest. So as in this time also, the people in large number across the country is united against the crime against women. And what perennially is coming out, that there have been some lacuna as far as the investigation process is concerned, which was not in that case of Pulwama. And both are different and a very, very different issue. One is a social problem, one is a state problem, another is of a national security. So how come a Trinamool Congress spokesperson can mix Pulwama with RG is a larger question. Is he trying to demean the protest of the protesters who are on street, the doctors who are on street, people at large who are on street? Is he trying to demean? Is something that he can only answer, but the political parties on the other hand have also condemned this move, this statement of Kunal Ghosh, though we are yet to hear from any senior Trinamool Congress spokesperson whether or not this is the stand of party or it's a personal comment of Kunal Ghosh. Back to you.
It's not the first this kind of a statement that we have heard from a TMC Neta. In the last few days, several shocking statements have come in which in a way try to trivialize what is happening in Kolkata. Instead of standing in support of these doctors who are looking for justice with the kind of shocking details that are emerging from the CBI probe, these kind of statements are being released by the TMC leaders.
Well, yes, absolutely. Kunal Ghosh, on one hand, you had Arup Chakraborty, you had Udayan Guha, all making comments, derogatory comments. In fact, what Udayan Guha said a couple of days back in Kuch Bihar resulted on mayhem over a midnight march that was taken out in Dinhata. And in midnight, how Trinamool Congress helped miscreants went on a rampage over the females who took out the midnight march. So these kind of comment does have a negative impact not only on the party cadres but also on the society as a whole. But somewhere down the line, people have to realize, Trinamool Congress have to realize that their own people like Shukhendu Shekhar Roy, Johor Shirkar, they all have been condemning this act and they are condemning even the kind of comments being made. But despite that, repeated incidents are coming forward, and Kunal Ghosh, a senior member, a spokesperson of Trinamool Congress, the way he made the comment is absolutely unjustified.
Tapas, requesting you to stay on with us. We have Rahul Sinha of the BJP now joining us as well. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now, Mr. Sinha. Your first reaction to the comment made by Kunal Ghosh of the Trinamool Congress trying to now compare what has happened in Kolkata, the protest that we are seeing, to that of Pulwama.
देखिए, बात ये है, अभी तृणमूल कांग्रेस का एक नेचर हो गया। ममता बनर्जी इसका शुरुआत किया। जब पश्चिम बंगाल में कोई ऐसा घटना हो जाता है जिसमें उन लोगों का जवाब देना मुश्किल होता है, वो घटना को साथ साथ बाहर भेजने का कोशिश करता है। दूसरा कोई स्टेट का घटना, दूसरा कोई जगह का घटना, उसको दिखा के ये चीज को नजरअंदाज करना चाहते हैं। लेकिन इस बार हम वो करने नहीं देंगे। इस बार बंगाल का लोग भी करने नहीं देंगे। बहुत कोशिश किया था ममता बनर्जी, और उन्होंने वही मणिपुर, वही उत्तर प्रदेश, वही राजस्थान, दुनिया भर का स्टेट का बहुत व्याख्यान किया था। लेकिन जनता एकदम उसी पिन पॉइंट में है आरजी गौर का क्या हुआ। तो इसीलिए कुणाल घोष ने जो चालाकी करने का कोशिश कर रहा है ममता बनर्जी का निर्देश पे, उसमें हम जाएंगे नहीं। पहले आरजी गौर का बात का समाधान करो, बाद में पुलवामा देखेंगे। यही एकदम सीधा बात है। पहले पश्चिम बंगाल लोगों का महिला को जस्टिस दो, उसके बाद बाकी कोई जगह का बात हम लोग सोचेंगे, देखेंगे। इसीलिए यही बात हम लोग करना चाहता है। किसी भी हालत से हम दूसरा इशू को घुमाने नहीं देंगे।
सिन्हा जी, हम देख रहे हैं कि पिछले कई दिनों से लगातार इस तरह के बयान जो हैं टीएमसी के कई नेताओं की तरफ से आ रहे हैं। बहुत ही सेंसिटिव समय है इस वक्त, क्योंकि जो हुआ है कोलकाता में बहुत ही भयानक है। एंड amidst all of these kind of statements clearly raise a question mark. Rahul Sinha, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Let me go back to Tapas, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Tapas, now, at a time when links are emerging between the ASI Anup Datta and the key accused Sanjay Roy. Was there somebody in the police who was trying to shield the key accused here? I mean, many such things that have come out at a time when the focus should have been on ensuring that the truth is out and the victim gets justice. These kind of statements are absolutely shocking. Any statement from other TMC leaders in this regard so far on what Kunal Ghosh has said?
Well, not really. Not really. Kunal Ghosh have posted the tweet a little while back, so we are yet to hear from the Trinamool Congress, but we have been given to understand that Kunal Ghosh is likely to confront the media in a short while from now, so we can have a clearer picture or a clarity from him that out of what intent he went on to compare the horror of RG Kaur along with Pulwama. One was a terrorist act, another was an act, was a heinous act, but was somehow helped by someone within the system. As far as Anup Datta is concerned, we know that from our sources that on that fateful night after committing crime, Sanjay Roy called Anup Datta, and it is believed that he must have shared the crime that he has done. He went to the barrack, he took rest there, and then left in the morning. So had been a police cop knowing the kind of crime that his roommate has done, he should have intimated the police, and if he has not done so, whether or not any action was taken against him by the police is the question being raised now.
All right, Tapas, request you to stay on with us. On the other hand, viewers, the protests for justice are continuing. Dr.